Section 1, number 10, you're going to find the value of x when the measurement of angle XYZ is equal to 125 degrees. Make sure your question matches up with mine. What this says is that this entire angle here adds up to 125 degrees. That's what it says. So we can write that angle XYZ is equal to that entire angle of x. I can make it in purple if you want. XYZ, this entire angle is made up of two parts. The first part, which is in blue, is going to be angle XYW plus the other angle here, okay, which is going to be light blue, of angle WYZ. If we add those two together, it gets you that entire angle here. So we can now plug in our values that we have. We know that angle XYZ is 125 because that's what the question says. Then we have angle XYW, which from the image gives us 6x plus 44, plus then we have WYZ, which is negative 10x plus 65. Okay, we can combine some like terms. 6x and negative 10x gets us negative 4x. Then we have 44 plus 65. That gets us 109. This equals to 125. We're going to subtract 109 to both sides so we can get the variable alone. 125 minus 109, this gets us 16 is equal to negative 4x. We divide by negative 4 to both sides. This cancels. 16 divided by negative 4 gets you a value of negative 4. That is the value of x.